That's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. And this is how we do it. Start off with a bowl and add the flour. 2 cups of white flour, 3/4 of a cup of rye flour, 1/4 of a cup of semolina. Mix it all together. Added a teaspoon of salt, really nice flaked sea salt, and mixed it all together. I used the cup measurements for everything. I used 1 3/4 of a cup of water, and this is the instrument that I stirred it all together with. It's a Danish whisk. While you wait for the starter to have doubled, have some toast. Have some toast with some homemade lemon and lime marmalade and a cup of tea. The sourdough starter was doubled in size, so it was perfect to add to the flours. I used the Danish whisk to whisk it all together, and you end up with a rough sort of shaggy mix that looks just like this. After mixing it all together, feed the starter again, about a tablespoon of flour and roughly the same amount of water. I use the handle of a spoon to mix, it's much easier to wipe off. Cover the bowl with plastic, I use a shower cap, and leave for an hour. After an hour, use the Danish whisk from the outside to stretch it up and fold it over. Leave it for another 2 hours to rest and double in size while you practice music. 2 hours later, when you come back from your ride, it's grown nicely. So take off the top, stretch it again and fold it over, turning the bowl round so that you've folded in every piece and trapped in the air. Cover the bowl once again and leave it until the dough relaxes and grows again. About now you'll notice that your starter has grown again and is full of bubbles, which means it's well and truly alive. So time to pop on the lid, pop it in the fridge, ready to feed it a bit more when next you need it. Time now to flour the banneton. Flour the work surface that you're going to use and you're ready to go. A little bit of flour on your hands. Tip it out gently onto the work surface and form it into a bit of a rectangle. From the rectangle, fold it in 3, then roll it up and pinch the sides together. Shape it gently and pop it into the banneton. Cover it again, ready for its resting in the fridge. The last step for today, clean up your work area and make a nice cup of tea.